What screams, I'm low-key rich. Nakatsinelas lanang ang sapin sa paa paggagala. Shirtless naka-shorts lanang ganun haha. Simple lang manamit but wears a watch that costs a fortune. Their skin can tell ika nga nila. Someone wearing luxury brands that don't show the logos. Etiquette, posture, plain clothing but with subtle luxury pieces, accessories. Just pays the bills. Never tinignan magkano. Kahit sa grocery, dampat lang ng dampat ng kung ano-ano. The way they think, act, or speak, halos lahat ng low-key rich, nakakilala ko ang hihinahon magsalita. Pinahal kasi sila ng magulang nila. Usually, sila yung low-key and hindi tryan. You'll just see them wear a piece na hindi ka familiar then pag sine-arch mo yung brand, OMG. May certain vibe that screams rich eh. Kahit naka-shorts lang, ang effortless that they give that classy vibe you can tell. No flashy logoed bags, clothes,